I'll now use RStudio to debug the code that will be used in IBM SPSS Modeler. First, we check if the Twitter package is installed and then load the package. I've created a variable to hold the absolute path of my files, especially the file to which I've saved my Twitter app credentials in part 2 of this tutorial. We load that file and verify them as valid. When I run these selected lines of code, you'll notice in the console window, I get a return value of true, signifying that those credentials are indeed valid. We'll be searching Twitter for tweets containing keywords, so I've created 2 more variables, one to hold the search term, and one to hold the number of tweets I want returned. The Twitter API has a bunch of functions to search for different types of data. This one gathers tweets based on keywords. Many examples on the web leave this parameter of the functions out. I found that doing so tends to generate an authentication error. This line puts the information from Twitter into a data frame. You can think of this as a table, with each piece of Twitter data having its own column. This line filters through all 16 different pieces of data for each tweet returned by Twitter and creates a data frame of only the desired information, in this case, text, created, screen name, and ID. After running the selected lines, you'll notice that the column names of the output are quite lengthy. These will also be the column names if you write the output to a file, so even though it's not necessary, I've added the next 4 lines to shorten these column names. The next 2 lines simply writes the output to a CSV file as well as the console window. You can definitely see that we do have the 4 pieces of data we wanted to gather: text, created, screen name, and ID. Since the code is free of errors, we can finally put the pieces together to harvest tweets with IBM SPSS Modeler.